Plastic or silicon mat for desk, stand, MDF board, pigments, reusable disposable cup, white pearl color, some crystal, white pigments, cup for making color, black pearl pigments, weight machine, sticks, good quality key, reusable gloves, golden powder. Wear mask and gloves necessary. If possible, purchase respirator. No measure, resin and hardener. 12-inch pot पे टोटल 120 ग्राम जाएंगे, 40 हार्डनर और 80 ग्राम रेजिन. Now mix it very carefully. Make sure you wear mask and gloves. Mix it at least 3 minutes, and after mixing it, now leave it. And now mark the design on board as you want or same as like me. Take cup for mixing color as given image, dark blue and black. White color. Take little amount of black and it is enough, and mix little amount of pearls in black only, as you see. Why pearl? Because it gives a little glittery effect. For dark blue, I am adding blue and very little amount of black. No, I don't have dark blue, that is why I am using this. If you have, you can do it. And now white color. Mix it with resin. Mix it very carefully. Make sure black color is little amount of black color, otherwise resin is not going to mix properly. Before starting resin process, you should know the pot life. Generally pot life 45 minute के होते हैं. After what is pot life? After 45 minute, after end of pot life, resin started drying. Okay. After mixing the color, start pouring on the MDF board very carefully. Give a space each color. Give a space between each color while pouring. You can see I am pouring blue color very carefully. After pouring blue color, pour black color. Make some space, distance, and then very carefully using sticks spread it. Spread this color. Don't use hand. I am using because I don't have that time gloves, that is why I am using, but after that I wash my hand instantly. Now take amount of crystal and mix little amount of color and mix it thoroughly. Once you mix it thoroughly, now place the crystal on resin as given in image. Now place it thoroughly on resin as given in image or as you want. Okay. If you need some help, you can text on WhatsApp or comment. As you see how beautifully color and stones are placed on resin, you can also make this. Okay. There is another crystal also in transparent form. You can put this. You can see in image. Now use golden powder, little amount of golden powder, mix it with resin and pour using sticks on the border of each color very carefully. and then use heat gun for spreading the golden color. Actually, I don't have heat gun, that is why I am using a paint cover for spreading the way for spreading this golden color. Mix white pearl and resin and then pour on white part of resin for giving glittery effect. And if you see in the final part, it looks so amazing, so awesome. Again, I will tell you that don't use hand, just wear gloves. I don't have gloves, that is why I'm using, but instantly I washed my hand